Setting family goals can bring your family closer and create a sense of shared purpose. Start by gathering everyone together and asking each member what matters most to them. You may be surprised by the answers. A child might want more game nights, a teen more independence, or a parent might hope for healthier routines. Listen carefully and invite everyone to contribute. Once ideas are out in the open, pick a few key goals you all agree on. These might be related to spending more time together, improving communication, planning a vacation, or establishing new routines. Make sure these goals are realistic, clear, and measurable. For example, eat dinner together 3 times a week or take a family walk every Sunday. Write your goals down and display them somewhere everyone can see, a bulletin board, fridge, or digital family calendar. This keeps them fresh in everyone's mind and makes progress easier to track. Celebrate small wins along the way. If you completed your weekly dinner goal, acknowledge it together and talk about what made it work. This builds confidence and motivation. Periodically, revisit your goals. Maybe your family has grown, schedules have changed, or interests have shifted. Adapt and update your goals. Remember, the process is as important as the achievement. Every conversation, compromise, and laugh strengthens your family bond. If you found these tips helpful, please like and share this video. What family goals are you planning? Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section below. Also, let us know what parenting topics you want to see in our next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.